This lesson covers prepositions. Your cue words are preposition, identify, focusing on location, and recognition. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define prepositions, and you will be able to identify prepositions used in a sentence. A preposition is a word that relates the noun or pronoun that comes after it to another word in the sentence. So it connects a person, place, thing, or idea to something else in the sentence. Prepositions are different from conjunctions. Instead of just joining the noun or pronoun to something else, it's connecting it, relating it by adding additional information on location, time, or direction. Prepositional phrases answer the questions where, when, or which way. Read the following passage. Pause the video if you need to. Should I stare lovingly at a single leaf and willingly remain ignorant of the forest? Should I be satisfied to watch the sun glinting off a single pebble and scorn any knowledge of a beach? Isaac Asimov's Science and the Sense of Wonder. Now, when the passage comes back on, write down the 4 prepositional phrases in that passage. Take your best guess. Remember, you're looking for words that relate nouns or pronouns to other parts of the sentence. Pause the video and write down the 4 prepositional phrases. Your prepositional phrases are at a single leaf, of the forest, off a single pebble, and of a beach. In the prepositional phrases that contain the word single, what are the prepositions? Jot the answer down in your note, then continue the video. For the phrase at a single leaf, the preposition is the word at. For the phrase off a single pebble, the preposition is the word off. Now, take your best guess. What are the objects of the preposition in the 2 prepositional phrases that start with the preposition of? Phrase of the forest, the object is forest. For the phrase of a beach, the object is beach. How do you know what words in the sentence were prepositions? There are 2 ways to find out: location and recognition. When it comes to location, prepositions have a specific place that you will find them. Consider the examples from the What Do You Notice section. Where were the prepositions in each of the prepositional phrases we looked at? Pause your video, look back, then write down your best guess. In conclusion, your conclusion should be that prepositions are found at the beginning of a prepositional phrase. So if you learn to recognize prepositional phrases, you will always find the preposition at the beginning. Your other option is to recognize prepositions. You can memorize the most common prepositions. This chart has the most common prepositions. You will get a handout in class on these, but it wouldn't hurt you to write them down and work on memorizing them. The following links are songs that help you remember the function or common preposition. Try learning one or making your own to help you with remembering prepositions. These links will also be embedded in the Blend Space lesson that's posted on Edmodo. Make sure you do the practice and do the practice quiz so you can check your comprehension. At this point, pause the video, write down the sentences, and identify the prepositions. Underline them. Then continue the video to check your work. Now take the practice test on your Edmodo page. Review the notes as necessary. When you've finished with the practice quiz and your notes, make sure you click the turn-in button. Don't forget to bring your notes to class on Wednesday because there will be a quiz and we will practice with prepositions.